Hello and welcome to Sunset Seekers. We are very honored that you stopped by to check out our video. My name is Mike. That's me there, frantically trying to rescue our bikes from their restraints. Now in this video we will take you on a short bike tour of Daisy State Park, just to give you an idea of what the RV camping loops look like, as well as the tent camping loops. There's my lovely wife Christy, and we're just about to get started on our first bike ride during this trip, which is on the first day of our vacation week. We had just arrived a few hours earlier to the park. Daisy State Park is located near Kirby, Arkansas, and we love this state park so much that we actually visited more than once this year. This bike tour was filmed during our second trip to Daisy in October of 2020. Now this is part of a video series that we've done at Daisy State Park. There are 6 videos in this series, which we will link in the upper right hand corner and in the description below. There's also a playlist on our YouTube page specifically for this park, so if you want some information on Daisy State Park, you have come to the right place. This was filmed the next day, and you can see on the left we are riding by the bathhouse. I do want to let you know that all of the bathhouse facilities that we saw at Daisy State Park were very clean and well maintained. Another thing I want to let you know about Daisy is that it is a mecca for motorcycle and ATVers due to the Bear Creek Cycle Trail, which you can pick up the trailhead at Daisy State Park and follow it along the Lake Greason shoreline. You will pass Kirby Landing and Bear Creek recreation areas, and you'll reach the trail's conclusion on the west end of Rough Mountain. Now we're going to begin our bike tour in earnest here at the head of RV Camping Area B, and we will make our way around the Interpretive Center and head down to one of the 2 boat ramps at Daisy State Park. After walking our way up the steep grade from the boat ramp, we made our way over to Area D, which is a tent camping area. There we found another steep grade and coasted our way around the loop. Next we made our way over to Area E, where you can find the 3 yurts on site, and the only area of the park that has a hiking trail where you can actually pick up the trailheads on the camping loop. It's got a rather quirky layout, but the RV sites in this area are awesome, and the nearby boat ramp is where they have kayaks and canoe rentals at the park. The next leg of our journey would take us past the dump station and on to Camp Area A. final leg of our journey would lead us back to Camp Area B, where our campsite was located, and it's also our favorite camping loop in the entire park. We would definitely recommend booking one of the campsites on the south side of Area B, sites 51 through 55 if you get a chance. These are our favorite campsites at Daisy State Park. To see a full review of the park, check out our first video from Daisy State Park in the upper right hand corner or in the description below.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for watching this video and following along with us on our journey, and we hope that our video has inspired you to visit Daisy State Park. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to follow us on all our future journeys.